rotate right there.
This is
See it
beautiful.
rotating?
Yep.
I think it's gonna drop.
It might
I
soon.
think it's gonna drop there, man.
This is unbelievable. Let's
Can you
use this down a little bit.
get my camera out here real quick?
Look at this storm. Oh my goodness. Look at it rotate right in front of us. That's Jordan and Scott. Honk at him. Jordan! How's it going?
We're going north.
What a storm.
Let's go, baby, dude.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Look at the Mamadas.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna go north, Fred.
Yeah, we're gonna do the same. What? Yeah.
Oh, they going north.
Yep, they're going north. We're gonna do the same. Look at the structure here. Wrapping all the way in. That's a funnel. There's a funnel above our head. It's coming down. See if there's anything on the ground. Get ready to go. Get ready to go.
I'm ready.
It's gonna drop, like on our head.
So you want me to go back?
We're looking straight up. No. Let's just sit. It's above us. Right there on the ground. On the ground.
Where?
Right there. Doing
There it
damage.
is.
Doing damage. We're gonna have to bail here in a second. It's like 100 yards. Doing damage. Go south.
Go south.
Go south. We're in the direct path. Yep. Go south. Go south. It's right there. Ignore it. Go. It's right there. You don't want to get that debris. Ignore it. It's right there. Okay, get ready to turn around. I'm filming. I got it. There it is. Right there.
Go, man. I'm gonna get close, bud. Hang on.
Yep, get in there. Get around the sky.
Got it? Should I go down this road?
Pull off.
I'm going down the road.
Just pull in here.
Alright, look left.
Look left. Just pull in,
There
pull
it
in,
is.
pull
It's
in.
right in there. It's going fast. We're
Yep,
gonna have to
go,
go
go,
back.
go.
Debris
Look at
right
the
here.
horses. Yep, debris, watch out. Alright. Yeah, we can get the next road. Get the next road. There it is.
Okay, hang on.
Yep, go.
Gotta stay hot though.
Alright. Where is it? There it is, there it is. Oh, look at the drill!
Make sure it's on.
Now it's recording.
Look at it spin up there. That's right. You know what? I stayed close.
Right
You
in
know
front
what
of
I
us.
mean?
We're in it.
There it is, right there. Right.
There's the
right-
tornado.
Gosh, right there. It's expanding here.
You might want to roll your window up. Roll your window up. I'll roll mine down. Go forward.
RFD
Go
right
forward.
here.
Let's get this gap.
RFD.
We're in the circulation of the tornado.